In the next 3 minutes, we'll break down two powerful approaches to navigating the crypto world: staking and trading. Staking is like earning interest on your crypto holdings. By locking up your coins in a supported blockchain network, you contribute to its security and validation, and in return, you earn passive rewards. It's a fantastic option for long-term holders looking for consistent growth with less active management. Staking. Unlock passive income and support your favorite blockchain projects. Trading, on the other hand, is about actively buying and selling cryptocurrencies to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. This can offer potential for higher and faster returns, but also comes with increased risk and requires more time and knowledge to analyze market trends. Which strategy is right for you? It depends on your risk tolerance, time commitment, and financial goals. Many successful investors even combine both, allocating a portion of their portfolio to long-term staking and another to active trading. Ready to build your bulletproof crypto strategy?